Let's make some lunch for my kids. Today I'm starting off with a spinach pesto. Blend together pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, basil, spinach, olive oil, and some salt. I love adding the spinach to get some extra greens in. I have some pasta made with squid ink, and it reminded me of one of my favorite Halloween movies. Can you guess what it is? I'm adding some of the pesto here, garnishing it with a basil leaf. I'm cutting a hard-boiled egg, and then I'm taking some nori, and I made a jack-o'-lantern face. I found these cute brownies, adding that to the bento box. I'm also adding some apple cinnamon chips, and of course candy. Lastly, I have some roasted pumpkin seeds, and I found this pumpkin light, so I'm just gonna add that in, and some spiders to spookify everything. And now for the note I'm writing: though I know I should be wary, still I venture someplace scary. Ghostly hauntings I turn loose. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice! Here are my other two kids' lunches. Happy Halloween!